Hey there. If you're a teacher juggling grades, attendance, lesson plans, and parent messages across a dozen different places, this is going to make your life a whole lot easier. This is the Teacher Gradebook, Lesson Planner, and Class Roster template, and it keeps your entire teaching year in one organized spreadsheet. Let me walk you through it. We start on the Start Here tab. This is your quick start guide. It lays out what each tab does and the handful of things to set up first, so you're never guessing where to begin. Read it once, and the rest of the workbook just makes sense. Next is the Settings tab. This is where you enter your class name, your grading categories, and how much each category is worth. Set your weights here once, and every grade calculation in the workbook follows them automatically, so you don't have to redo the math for each student. Now the class roster. You type each student in just once, right here, with their student ID, guardian name, and contact info. From this point on, those names flow into every other tab automatically, so you never have to retype a class list again. Here's the heart of it, the gradebook. Enter each assignment's points and category, then type in the scores. The weighted grade calculates itself, turns into a letter grade, and even flags any student who's slipping with an at-risk status. Down at the bottom, you get a class average at a glance. The Attendance tab lets you mark each student, present, absent, or tardy, day by day. It tallies the totals for you, so when you need to know who's missed the most class this term, the number is already right there. On the Lesson Planner, you map out your week or unit, one lesson at a time. Jot down your objective, the activities, and any materials you need. It's a simple, clear place to plan ahead instead of scrambling the night before. The Assignments tab is your master list of everything you've assigned with due dates and point values. It keeps you and your students on the same page about what's coming up and what everything is worth. The Parent Contact Log is a lifesaver at conference time. Every time you email or call a guardian, you log the date and a quick note. When you need to show you've reached out, you've got a clear record instead of trying to remember. The Behavior Tracker gives you the same thing for the classroom. Note incidents and positive moments as they happen, so patterns become obvious and you have specifics ready when you need them. Finally, the dashboard pulls everything together: class average, attendance trends, students who need attention, all summarized in one view. It's the tab you'll glance at before a meeting to know exactly where your class stands. And that's the whole template. Everything you need to run your classroom, from grades to attendance to parent contact, all in one file that works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. If that sounds like it would save you time this year, the link to grab it is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and happy teaching!